In this video, we will describe about the designing of second order electrical network, and then we will study its transient response for study input in the following case. First one is underdamped case, second one is overdamped case, and third one is critically damped case. So we know that for underdamped case, the value of damping factor lies between 0 to 1 and its roots are complex conjugate. So accordingly, we will use a transfer function of this. And for overdamped system, the value of damping factor is more than 1 and its roots are real and unequal roots. And similarly for critically damped, zeta equals to 1 and its roots are real and equal. So according to these factors, we have used 3 different transfer functions. Now we will plot these transfer functions in the MATLAB program. Now first we will consider the underdamped case. For this we define the numerator n1 equals to 49 and d1 equals to 1 7 49. Now system 1 is defined as a transfer function, a small bracket, numerator comma denominator. So this is our continuous time transfer function for the underdamped case. Now we will get the step response for this by writing step of system 1. So by this we will get the underdamped response of this system. Now we will write the transfer function for the second system as numerator n2 equals to 36 in the numerator and d2 equals to 1 space 20 space 36 in the denominator. So our second transfer function is defined as system 2 tf small bracket numerator 2 comma denominator 2. So this is the transfer function for overdamped case. Now the step response for this function can be written as step small bracket system 2. This is the step response for overdamped case. Okay, we have to write the hold on command, otherwise this is the step response for overdamped case. If we want to plot both of these two figures in the same graph, then we have to write as hold on command step response of system 1 and system 2. Now we will get both the figure in same plot. This is the underdamped, this is for overdamped. Now for critically damped, we will write the system transfer function as n3 equals to 36 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have to write 1 space 12 space 36 bracket close. This is the denominator. Now the transfer function for the third system is written as system transfer function n3 comma d3. Now step response for this is written as similarly we write for the above two step system 3. So now we will get all the 3 plot. This green one is for underdamped system, this red one is for critically damped system, and this blue one is for overdamped system. Hence we observe the response of all the 3 cases for this step response.